Discover the quality and simplicity of WamBam's easy-to-install no-dig fence system. The installation process for this permanent fence is straightforward and avoids the back-breaking hassle of digging holes and mixing concrete, all while keeping your yard intact. First, establish the distances and post placement with our user-friendly pipe positioners. Next, drive our galvanized pipe into the ground using a manual or gas-powered pounder. Using WamBam's patented designs, simply adjusting the leveling donuts ensures a perfectly level installation every time. Once posts are in place and secured to the pipe anchor, you can rest assured of your fence's stability and durability. Install the panels, knowing they'll stay in place for the lifetime of your fence. Now, it's time to add the finishing touches. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you can transform your backyard from WamBam's extensive selection of no-dig fence options. Enhance the appearance and functionality of your outdoor space with an easy-to-install WamBam no-dig fence.